G-Accon for QuickBooks. G-Accon turns Google Sheets into live, automated standard and consolidated reports, bulk uploads, and KPI dashboards that accountants and CFOs use for real-time insights. Track any KPI and customize easily. No technical skills needed. To generate a professional KPI dashboard, navigate to Extensions, G-Accon for QuickBooks, get accounting data, reports, KPI dashboards. Connect to your client's entity, select a pre-built template, and adjust the preset date range based on the organization's fiscal year. Choose a pre-built theme or apply your own color scheme. Use the preview feature to review the dashboard theme before the dashboards are generated. Add your company logo, white label, and click Generate. The live dashboard has been successfully generated. A cover page for the live dashboard, along with links to the main reports and dashboards, has been generated. The live dashboard with KPIs, including total revenue, total expenses, gross profit margin, net profit margin, and corresponding charts, has been successfully generated. The financial ratios dashboard and corresponding charts have also been generated. Multiple reports have been generated, including the profit and loss variance, statement of cash flows, and balance sheet. An automatic workflow has also been set up to refresh all reports and dashboards, including the KPI dashboard, on a daily basis. To generate additional formatted reports, navigate to Extensions, G-Accon for QuickBooks, get accounting data, reports, formatted reports. Select the required report from the drop-down box and choose the parameters needed for your report. Customize the report using the template's filters. Customize your report further by selecting the data format, last update time option, company white label, etc. Select your own color theme or use a pre-built template from the G-Accon library. Modify the sections of your report if needed, then click Execute. The report has been generated. The easiest way to initiate automatic workflow is to select Edit Templates for current sheet. Select the three-dotted option under Edit Template and choose New Workflow to set up the automation. A default schedule will be created, automatically refreshing your report every 5 hours. You can also make any changes before clicking the Create button to initiate the automation. For your convenience, a floating menu is available for easy navigation throughout the product. You can modify any created workflow. Workflows can be modified, deleted, or duplicated. G-Accon lets you easily generate formatted consolidated reports, including features like intercompany elimination and account grouping, roll-ups. To get started, select G-Accon for QuickBooks, get accounting data G-Reports, formatted consolidated reports. The first step is selecting the organizations you want to consolidate and choosing the reporting currency. Next, select the consolidated report from the report list and choose the required parameters, including intercompany elimination rules and account groups. Group accounts must be defined under G-Accon for QuickBooks, Tools, Group Accounts, and then selected from the Group Accounts dropdown. Customize the report to fit stakeholder needs, with options like creating a new sheet, hiding grid lines, showing negatives in red, or adding QuickBooks links. The report theme has been changed. A consolidated formatted profit and loss report with a different style, including intercompany elimination rules and grouped accounts, has been generated. You can see the grouped account details by expanding the plus sign. Import your financial data directly from QuickBooks with just a few clicks. Go to Extensions, G-Accon for QuickBooks, get accounting data reports, get accounting data. Select the accounting table from the report list, choose the required attributes, and click Execute. The raw journal entry data has been downloaded directly from the QuickBooks tables. Create new data or modify existing data. To modify, create, or delete QuickBooks records from Google Sheets, select Upload accounting data into your organization to create an upload template. The data upload automatically maps your spreadsheet headers to QuickBooks fields. Click Execute and Save. The transactions have been successfully created in QuickBooks, and the IDs have been generated. To verify the successful creation of your transaction, click the generated link under the ID column. Review the newly created journal entry in QuickBooks. Using G-Accon, you can generate business intelligence-ready reports that can be easily connected to tools such as Looker, Tableau, or Microsoft Power BI to create complex live dashboards. Detailed transaction reports with multiple transaction IDs have been generated for use with business intelligence tools and advanced analytics. G-Accon lets you create professional reports, automate updates, and share client-ready reports, all in Google Sheets with live accounting data. Get started with G-Accon today.